In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from iContact. Whether you need a backup, want to analyze your data, or plan to import your audience into another tool. The export process is quick and reliable. Start by opening your browser and heading to app.icontact.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and click Contacts. Here, decide which group you want to export. You can pick a specific list if you only need certain subscribers, or choose all contacts to grab everything in your account. If you use segments or filters, make sure you're viewing exactly the set of people you want to export. If you only need specific people, select them using the checkboxes next to each email address. For a complete export of what's on the page, use the Select All checkbox at the top. This is helpful when you want to include everyone currently shown in the list view. With your contacts selected, or even if you're exporting the entire view, look near the top of the list for the More button. Click it, then choose Export. This opens the export dialog, where you'll decide which data fields to include. Common choices are email address, first name, and last name, but you can also include any custom fields you rely on, such as tags or sign-up source. As a best practice, always include the email field since it acts as a unique identifier, especially if you plan to import the file into another platform. Confirm your choices to start the export. iContact will generate a downloadable file, typically in CSV format. CSV files open easily in programs like Excel, Google Sheets, and most CRM or marketing platforms. If you're prompted, choose a safe location on your computer to save the file and consider naming it with the date so it's easy to track. If your contact list is large, give it a moment to process before the download appears. When you open the file, if characters look odd, import it using UTF-8 encoding in your spreadsheet tool for the cleanest results. That's it. You've successfully exported your contacts from iContact. Before sharing or uploading the file, quickly scan a few rows to confirm the fields look correct and store the file securely since it contains personal information. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to use your contact data wherever you need it.